Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Cadillac Escalade. First, establish a clear budget, including potential financing. Next, research the various Escalade models and their features to find what best suits your needs. Think about whether a new or pre-owned vehicle aligns better with your financial plan and preferences. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth purchasing process. Once you have a model in mind, compare prices from several dealerships to ensure you are getting a competitive offer. It's also wise to read owner reviews and reliability ratings to understand long-term satisfaction. Most importantly, schedule a test drive. This allows you to feel the vehicle's performance, comfort, and features, ensuring it meets your expectations before moving forward. Before finalizing any purchase, especially for a pre-owned Escalade, arrange for a pre-purchase inspection by an independent mechanic. This can uncover any hidden issues. When negotiating, focus on the overall price of the vehicle, not just the monthly payment. Also, carefully review all warranty options and available service packages to understand what is covered and for how long. When you are ready to buy, meticulously review all sales paperwork before signing anything. Ensure you understand every fee, tax, and registration cost associated with the purchase. Finally, make sure you have adequate insurance coverage in place before you drive your new Cadillac Escalade off the dealership lot. Taking these steps ensures a confident and informed purchase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.